Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove the shackle and the cylinder from an LSDA lock here. This is the RK450 series. So it comes with a blank or uncut Schlag SC4 key, and you can basically just rekey it, take the pins out, rekey it, and then cut these keys. But comes blank, so what you're gonna need is a Phillips head to remove the cylinder. Cylinder's under here. Just basically unscrew that. The cylinder pops out. You can go ahead and rekey it just as you normally would. And then to replace the shackle here, I got a big and a small one. Let me find the small one. So basically, to replace the shackle to a smaller one, there's a set screw inside here. You're gonna need a T, what is this? You're gonna need a T25, little tiny T25. Stick it in here, unscrew it. This is a set screw. See it coming out? You just take it all the way out, keep it going. And then you'll feel it pop out. There's a little set screw. Take this out, put the new one in there. Remember, put this side in because that's where the set screw is going to lock it up in. And then push it down, tighten her back up, put the set screw back in there. And just like that, you got a little shorter one. I'm gonna put the shackle, oops, the cylinder back in there. And there you go.